hello to all my friends out there. And so I had half a package of this beef patty mix. I think it's a pound. Yeah, it's a beef. I had about 8 ounces. So I made 4 hamburgers because, you know, I want to use up my beef patty mix. So I want to make a couple hamburgers. And then, you know, I had some of those dollar hot dogs. And if you carefully shop, those are Oscar Mayer hot dogs. I got those, I think there was 10 in a package. So we're gonna have some hot dogs. And I just wanted to make mention that I use seasoned salt and pepper on my beef patty mix. And so then, you know, I had some sweet potatoes left. And so these were really good sweet potatoes. So I'll probably be buying some more. So we'll have a few sweet potatoes. So this is going to be a pretty nutritious little meal already. With a little ketchup. Little ketchup. And a little mustard. Okay, you guys, I was rethinking the fake cheese, the fake lemon, the fake honey. And, you know, it's one thing if you're running out. So, okay, I bought real lemons. And I got this recipe on Super Soldier Talk. It's apples, carrots, and nuts. And I squeezed the juice of 1 lemon. I have a lot of seeds in this lemon. I put a tiny dab of honey and some cinnamon. So, you know, I'm always looking for a new recipe. I don't care where I find it. So, here is my fruit salad. And this is the same source as the tea. And so, this is going to be a good little salad here. All right, now I'll be back in 1 second. I forgot a fork. All right, now let me taste this salad, and I will tell you. If I like it, I'll say I like it. If I hate it, I'll say no. Okay. You got to try that. I didn't make it too sweet. So I had lemon, real lemons. Because vitamin C is very important. Still fake honey, but I'm working on that. And I have some regular tea. And then if you can see back there, I made more sugar cookies. And so all these recipes are stockpile recipes. So this is really, really a cheap, good dinner. And so, let me see. Right. God bless you all.